Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve uploading games on Roblox. To know how to fix or how to solve uploading games on Roblox app, you should just go to settings as you see and you can click. After that you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you'll enter to the window or to the app of Roblox and you can click. Here we'll enter to your first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors in your app. In the end you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.